Santo Rosario, Batch 2025-2026.
Miss Christy S. Romero and the non-teaching personnel, Kay Guerta, Miss Alice Richie S. and Mr. Ruel Samson, Tia B. Balagtas, Marsilia, Miss Marisa B. Tolentino, Norma D. Magiga, Miss Sharaine Rose N. Garcia, Miss Julia Lynette R. Mendoza, G. Atis, Mr. Al Jones, Miss Samantha May C. Valdez, Miss Case Nicole C. Marcel, Miss Teresa Guarderos, G. Oblita, Miss Elisha Grace C. Jose,
rest, my Lord, I can see you in the smile of a baby, sweet and true. I see you,
To formally begin this celebration, may we call on a distinguished member of the grade 6 class, an honor student, to deliver his welcoming address. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kiefer Ryu S. Magtoto.
our school president, Dr. Maria Josefina Coronado Bernal, our school director, Mr. Matthew Bunyi, our OIC school principal, Mr. Emmanuel Villa, our esteemed administrators, our beloved faculty and non-teaching staff, our very proud parents and guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and blessed afternoon to us all. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. A famous quote from a well-renowned philosopher and poet, Mr. Ralph Waldo Emerson, echoes the vibe of this grand auditorium as we speak. The journey that our graduates enjoyed, the journey that our graduates fought for, the journey that our graduates celebrated, the journey that our graduates endured. It still hasn't sunk up to me that the mornings of saying hi and how are you, greeting our beloved teachers and administrators, and dapping up our classmates and friends has now come into a halt. It still hasn't sunk up to me that the seat works, reports, performance tasks, extracurricular performances, even the in-between laughs, cries, quarrels, and conversations has now come to a halt. I was a shy child growing up, as some of our graduates may relate to. We were afraid in our first day of classes. But because of our most friendly teachers in those days, I have learned to open up and brought in new friends into my circle, to some whom I still share my memories with until now. Growing up, I felt that I was in a kind of a pedestal. As how my Kuya Ken left a mark within the school, I realized in a way that I must follow his footsteps and become like him. I was wrong. In that note, I am beyond grateful to my parents, kuya, and especially my teachers growing up, since they always remind me that I am my own identity, I have my own skill sets, I have my own abilities. ESR has helped me shape who I am, my character, and my identity moving forward. Tomorrow. A new dawn may be upon us, but our Santo Rosarian blood continues to rush through our veins forever. And now, it's time to celebrate the stars of today. Thank you everyone, and welcome to the Escuela de Santo Rosario 20th Commencement Exercises of the Grade School Department and the 8th Commencement Exercises of the Senior High School Department.
Maria Josefina C. Bernal, our school president, Mr. Matthew E. Buni, our school director, and Mr. Emmanuel A. Bila, our OIC principal. I have honor to present to you the 27 elementary candidates for graduation, composing of 14 boys and 13 girls, and 36 senior high school candidates for the graduation, composing of 3 information communication technology strand, 13 science, technology, engineering, and mathematics strand, 12 humanities and social science strand, and 8 accountancy and business management strand, who have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the graduation in elementary and senior high school under the K-12 Basic Education Program prescribed by the Department of Education. And I hereby recommending them to you for the certification and confirmation this 10th day of April 2026.
School President Dr. Maria Josefina Coronado Bernal, and by the power vested in me by the Department of Education, that upon the presentation and recommendation of Ms. Marivic P. Garcia, our school registrar, that you have satisfactorily completed all your requirements as prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Program, I hereby confirm your graduation in this 10th day of April 2026. Congratulations.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pride and honor that I present to you the Grade 6 Everest graduates of batch 2025-2026, starting with the boys. Adrian Walter A. Bugtong, Dion B. Carvalho, E. Chan, Wayne Sachi T. Fontanilla, Marcos Elijah B. Gonzalez, Jacob Andrew S. Lara, Hiro Ignatius C. Loyola, Peter Rayu S. Magtoto, Miguel Zaywang B. Puri, Lexus N. Rojas, John Jacob S. Tantoco, and Brent Nathaniel B. Vasquez, Alea Cassidy P. Bibat, Jasmine F. Bumanglag, medalla. Rita Solen D. Ruiz. Mary Princess Celine M. Samson. Once again, the grade 6 Everest graduates. Wayne Cindy Adrian Walter A. Bugby, and with honors. Lake Chester E. Jacob Andrew S. Lab. Mers. And with honors. Keira Ale with honors. Best in English with high honors, and she will also receive a 100% voucher from Escuela de Santo Rosario. Kiefer Ryu S. Magtoto. Mananayaw ng Escuela Service Awardee and with honors. Araling Panlipunan Quiz Bee Champion and with honors. Service Awardee and with honors. Hammer Lexus N.
Julian Philip Christopher Casilla. Gio Angelo Jason Cavan. Roel Ethan Solieza. Starting with Habebe R. Berganio. Rans Daniel R. Castillo. Ray Sacha B.C. Cruz. Under Humanities and Social Sciences males, Mark Joshua P. Bakay. Kenya Grant A. Garcia. Giancarlo F. Maligaw. Mike Andre B. Samson. Aldrich Gabriel L. Villaluz. For the females, starting with Arlene May C. de la Cruz. Margot Alexis U. Martin. Jasmine Nicole P. Satit. And Grace Veronica Marie C. Tolentino. Under Science, James Patrick M. Garfield. Paul Justin P. Juan. Edsel Rex and Mabarang Jr. Adrian Michael F. Palatino. Zaki Noel A. Villa. Starting with Sofia Medico and Danicas Eliza R. Bautista. Uriel Shannon R. Burgos. J. P. Category. Kristen Rain R. L. Carulio. Sakura May D. Guerrero. Sabria Nicole B. Ong. And Janice Lian H. Pedaliaga. Rand, starting with Anil Jatniel Kabamban. Barry E. Tino. And Achilles U. Lakbay. May you strive and be motivated always. Thank you and congratulations. Fourth semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. First semester with honors. Second semester with high honors. And overall with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. Julian Philip Christopher S. Casino. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. Ray Sacha D.C. Cruz with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. Arlene May C. De La Cruz. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. Sakura May D. Guerrero. Overall with honors. Paul Justin P. 1. Second semester with high honors. Overall with honors. Achilles U. Lakbay. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. Marcy Byrne B. Marcelo with honors and overall with honors. Margot Alexis U. Martin, second semester with honors and overall with honors. Sabria Nicole B. Ong, second semester with honors and overall with honors. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. Zaki Noel A. Villa, Athlete Service Awardee. First semester with honors. Second semester with honors. And overall with honors. Joshua P. Bakay. Next award is the second semester with high honors and overall with honors. A service awardee. First semester with high honors. Second semester with high honors. And overall with high honors. Celestine Faith L. Ruiz. Leadership awardee. Outstanding student in ABM Strand. Women's Club awardee. First semester with high honors. Second semester with high honors. And overall with high honors. And last but definitely not the least, Aldrich Gabriel L. Villaluz. Outstanding student in social study. Best in arts and communication in English. Best in arts and communication in Filipino. Outstanding student in UM Strand. Science Quiz Bee Champion. First semester with high honors. Second semester with high honors. And overall with high honors.
And it's time for us to hear some words from our Loyalty Award.
Doctora Maria Josefina Coronado Bernal, to Mr. Matthew E. Bunyi, to Mr. Emmanuel A. Villa, to Ms. Marivic B. Garcia, to Ms. Christy S. Romero, to our respected administrators, dedicated teachers, proud parents, and most especially our remarkable graduates, good afternoon. I am Mark Joshua Puyawan Bakay, under the Humanities and Social Sciences strand, a loyalty awardee from batch 2025 to 2026. Today marks a significant. It is with great pride and heartfelt gratitude as I stand before you today to share my journey, one that reflects loyalty, commitment, and dedication through more than a decade of growth and learning. Loyalty is not just my award, it is who I am. I stayed, I grew, I belong. And that is my greatest achievement. This is more than 14 years of staying. This is 14 years of choosing to believe, to grow, and to remain. When there are moments of doubt, I stay. When there are more bigger opportunities, I remain. And when I already want to be in a new environment, I endure. It means staying when leaving with and a deep sense of belonging. This institution has not only a place for learning, but the foundation upon which my character, values, and aspirations have been built. Escuela de Santo Rosario is more than just a school to me. It has been my second home, a place where I learn not only lessons from books, but lessons about life, resilience, and purpose. Allow me to express my deepest gratitude to the people who became my own inspiration to continue fighting for my journey. First of all, to our Almighty Lord, thank you for giving me strength, wisdom, and gratitude throughout my journey, for every blessing upon me and my family, and for listening to all of my prayers. Without you, I would not be where I am today. To our school president, Dr. Maria Josefina Coronado Bernal, I express my deepest gratitude for your kindness, guidance, and support that have allowed me to spend my 14 meaningful years in Escuela de Santo Rosario, my second home. You're not only a respected leader, but also an inspiration to every Santo Rosarian, creating an environment where we are motivated to grow, to learn, and to give our best. To our esteemed school administrator, Mr. Emmanuel A. Villa, Mr. Matthew A. Buni, Ms. Mary Bigby Garcia, Ms. Elenita Sicao, Ms. RG Librea, thank you so much for your hard work, leadership, and unwavering support. Your visionary leadership has built a strong foundation that continues to shape students into confident individuals ready for the future. To our dedicated teachers and staff, to the one from preschool up until now to the senior high school, I appreciate your hard work behind the scenes in creating a supportive and organized environment for all. Your efforts have made a lasting impact on our journey and our success. To my family, Mama, Papa, Kuya Tin, and Ate Eljoy, thank you for your endless support, trust, and belief in me. You have been my greatest source of inspiration and strength, helping me overcome every challenge along the way. Kahit kayo ay nasa malayo, bitbit ko ang prinsipyo at aral na ibinagkaloob niyo sa akin nung ako ay bata pa lamang. Maraming salamat. To my classmates and friends, thank you for sharing both the struggles and joyful moments with me. Beyond knowledge, I have gained friendships that I will always treasure and memories that will continue to inspire me in the future. To my instructors, Mr. Emmanuel A. Villa in Mananayaw ng Eskwela, Mr. Mark Anthony G. De La Cruz, and to the others who became part of me in an organization, thank you for allowing me expressing my talent and for showing the real person I am. To my alma mater, Escuela de Santo Rosario, thank you for being my second home for 15 years. You have shaped me with knowledge, discipline, and values that I will carry as I move forward. To my advisors, from preschool up until now, to Ms. Sharon, to Ms. Mary Vic, I guess, to all of those, up until now, Ms. Christy S. Romero, Sir Aljon, thank you for always saying to me that you are always proud of what I am doing. And finally, to my fellow graduates, always carry passion with your hearts. Trust the process and never stop believing in yourself. If I made it this far, I know that you can too. Keep striving with courage, perseverance, and faith. And now, as I close this chapter of my life here in Escuela de Santo Rosario, I want to leave a powerful reminder for all of you. We were never meant to carry our burdens alone. Life becomes lighter when we have people who listen, who stay, and who gently reminds us that we are never truly alone. So let us choose to be there for one another, to be the hands that lift, the heart that listens, and the quiet presence that brings comfort. And in lifting others, we may discover that our own hearts are being lifted too. May each of us find the courage to rise, to shine, and to become the star we were always meant to be. Once again, I am Mark Joshua Puyawan Bakay, a proud humanista from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Loyalty is my story, and this school is where it was written. A legacy to remember. Thank you everyone for being part of this wonderful journey. and perpetuum fidelis, forever mabuhay ang Eskwela de Santo Rosario.
Palatino family in grateful appreciation of their trust of having all their children graduate from Escuela de Santo Rosario. Given the 10th day of April 2026 at tanghalang pasigyan, Ruiz family and Palatino family.
2025 to 2026, I, Celestine Faith L. Ruiz, solemnly pledge my honor and loyalty to my alma mater through my thoughts, words, and deeds to continue her legacy.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed administrators, faculty, staff, guests, and my fellow Santo Rosarians. And last but not least, a warm welcome towards my fellow grade 12 classmates, whom were those together with me, walking this great path ahead. The path was one heck of a ride, is it not? But we made it. Throughout our ups and downs, and through thick and thin. I would not doubt that everyone here, sitting on those chairs and lending me an ear, believes that the road we took was a long journey, a long and arduous journey. However, with the help of particular figures in our lives, we had overcome a milestone of our student life. Thank you sa ating mga teachers, and of course sa ating mga magulang for supporting us throughout the years. To continue, this chapter had brought us many development for ourselves and also for myself, not only mentally, not only emotionally, not only socially, and not only responsibly. Now, kagaya nga ng sinabi sa ating recollection last time, feelings are meant to be shared, and emotions are meant to be shared with other people. Now, allow me to share all of those to you guys. First, this chapter of ourselves given me the sense of not being alone. Tumulong sa akin, and mapa sa mga schoolworks man yan, sa mga tasks na binigay, or even personal matters na nangyayari. And that is one of the major development done to me in a short span of time upon being a senior high school student. That I am not alone and there are always people whom I can rely on. Second, manage time. Ito, isang napaka-importante pang bagay. I realized that disregarding your time is not a very healthy practice. Those particular peoples that I have said, these lessons and growth are not within my access if it hadn't for this particular people that I have been with. Sila ang mga taong gumabay at tumulong sa ating pag-unlad at paglaki. Now, to formally prepare ourselves towards our brighter futures, let us give appreciations towards the people who carried us on towards this long journey of us, the heroes and heroines of our story. First of all, maraming salamat sa mga teachers natin whom supported us patiently in teaching us as students mula nung bata pa tayo hanggang sa ating pagtanda. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga teachers. Ayan. Tunay na kayo ang pinakamarangal na tao sa mundo sapagkat kayo ang dahilan at pinagmumulan ng lahat ng trabaho na meron dito sa mundo. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtuturo, sa mga administrators natin, sina Sir Matt, na kahit 2 araw lang namin nakasama sa UMS, napakagaling niyo po magturo. Napaka-professional. Sir Emma naman, ang ating principal, na strict pero masayang magturo, especially sa subject namin. Then kay Miss Marivic, School Registrar, maraming salamat sa pagsasen. I am Aldrich Gabriel Lebrea Villaluz of Grade 12 Humanities and Social Sciences Strand, Batch 2025 to 2026, officially signing off. Thank you and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you so much for your sincere and inspiring message, Aldrich.